Well, hello there everyone, this is I Am Mark III and welcome back to Factorio Tobosh, or the base of Tobosh, or Fortress Tobosh, or not Fortress Tobosh, or yeah, I think you can get the idea. I still haven't come up with a good name for it that's outside of Tobosh, but it's grown on me in the last 2 videos, sadly, and so I'm going to be sticking with it. And I say 2 videos because I recorded 2 videos at the weekend and then there was a glitch in the recording. No voiceover commentary at all, and yes. Unfortunately that meant I could not actually use the recording, so this is nearly an hour ahead of where it was at the end of the last video uploaded on the channel. A time skip I usually do not do, but it's something that does unfortunately happen sometimes. So I'll just do a quick run over for the improvements for you. First off, I do have some initial defences in the form of some sniper turret Mark 1s. Ooh, yep, shooting speed. Which I'm getting shooting speed for because they fire so slowly. They do a ton of damage per shot, which is great. Massive range because they can target a large area, but they fire really slowly, so that's why I've got some more covering supporting positions nearby. This sector's not really been improved much, except for maybe the addition of this, but I think that was already seen. Yeah, I think this area's already been seen. The area for making carbon and... is that tin? I think that's the tin plate, yeah. Basic ammo production facility here, which is producing for my scattered towers. Doubled up power plants, nothing special so far. Nothing done to this area, which is producing my copper, except for the addition of this, which is my stone, well, just my flat-out stone brick production right now. Might as well grab some while I'm here. No? Now then, level 2 research is running. I think that was done during one of the lapsed episodes. So that's all chugging away, and it's giving me access to the better techs, which I'm plowing through at quite a rate actually, because this is an advanced production system. Through this tangle of conveyors to one of the big additions, which is this, a wood production plant. It is my first ever attempt at a fully automated wood production plant using 8 greenhouses. It's built so I can expand it further, but sadly there is a rather serious flaw in the system, which means that it could flood itself effectively with too many greens while it was loading onto here, because it produces far more green... Sorry, I'm saying greens, far too many seedlings compared to the wood it produces, because I'm just not needing that much wood, so it just bogs itself down on a regular basis. It's not a great design. I'm going to have to actually have a look at that and see about doing something about it. But yeah, that was unfortunately my attempts at that. I've got this over here, producing stuff. What are you producing? Bronze plates and solder plates, which I don't think you've seen. Well, much of. That's working, and it's feeding from this source up here, along with some stuff I was just doing earlier. No, wait, no, I wasn't. Hang on. Why is all this powered down? Where's my electricity gone? Ah. Oh yeah. Okay, the final addition is this, which is a inefficient and poorly made plant which produces basic electronic circuits and basic inserters, because the goal during the last video I recorded was trying to make advanced inserters. And oh, I see. I just cut the power line. Yay me. So yeah, that was one of my goals during my previous video, just to get all of the start doing all the inserters. But then I started to realise, oh, I'm going to need this, I'm going to need that, I'm going to need a whole load of other stuff, including a better production source for electronic components, which is why I've pulled up the factory that was over here, and that's where I'm at the moment. Just going okay. The entire southern section of my base is covered by sniper turrets, so it can pick off some enemies before they do too much damage, hopefully. Though that said, despite the size of this base, I've not reached the pollution needed to trigger an attack just yet. But that is going to happen sooner rather than later, I would imagine. Anyway, let's go on with the stuff, shall we? Right. Basic components. Where are you? Here we go. Basic components. Tinned copper wire, carbon. Okay. That means I need the supply of tin. You're carrying tin, aren't you? Yeah, you're carrying tin plates. Okay, so I have a supply of tin plate coming through. Let's actually build an equalizer on that to just even out the flow. And one on the carbon as well is probably a good idea. And since I've pulled all that out, I don't need to do that. Stop. Do that thing. Right. I can just pull those out because I don't need it. So I'm salvaging parts of my base already because it's a bit of a mess. Okay, that's all fine. Pull that bit up. Pull this bit up. Yeah. Okay. Just need to get the flow a bit regulated, that's all. I know this is some of the boring busy work that happens sometimes, but hey, whatever. I'm still having to feel my way through this entire mod pack as I go, so I have an excuse there, I think. I don't need a drill right now, so just use that, grab this splitter, and then let's put this one here. Sure. And let's put this one over here, so I have space to add some more carbon refining if I need to. There we go. Okay. And there we go. Okay. Both of those belts are now doubled up, and they'll store a lot more in terms of raw resources before they get completely bogged down. That just means let's do it like this. Yep, like that. That's fine. Now then, slight challenge here in the form of getting it past here. Okay, that's very quickly peeled off, and that's it. Carbon is now flowing. Right, tunnels. Can I tunnel under there? I don't think I can. No, it's too far. I can tunnel under here. That'll have to... No! Ooh. Oh dear. Can't quite tunnel under there. This is a bit of a conundrum. I'm not going to do this. I mean, I had to rebuild this entire section like twice because I got it in slightly the wrong place, and now it's a bit too far up, so I'm having trouble getting something through. This is just too many things in too small a space. Actually, you know what? I know what I can do. I'll pull up the reds, put down some yellows, and then I can just peel up this line of copper here, because I'll be cheeky and load the copper onto this belt here. So I'll have some excess copper put in there, but it'll reduce the size enough to let me sneak another transport belt through, like that. Yeah, that looks okay. Though I might as well swap the size for this as well, because I don't want to mess around with things too much more, if you know what I mean. There we go. Okay, carbon running through. And I don't need it in there, so I'll just tunnel it under here to bring it up. And there we go. Whee! Carbon flows. Sorted. I'll need to get a flow of tin coming as well, so I do actually need another splitter. Okay, that's fine. I'll need another tunnel as well. Okay, that's fine. But what I'm going to do is put it in here. Okay. Now, need tinned copper wire. Luckily there's some copper supplies flying around as well, so that's okay. I don't need to worry about that. Copper wire. You're an intermediate product, aren't you? Oh, search function, right. Here we go. Tinned coppered wire. I must use that more. Okay, I can make tinned coppered wire just using copper wire and tin on a rate of 3 to 1. Okay. How fast do I want this to be? I'll need a lot of these, so 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. Okay, that'll be my supply for the coppered wire. I need more splitters and things. Yep. That should do it. Yep, perfect. Right, these things will all make for me copper wire at a rate of 12. 3, 6, 7, 9, 10, 12. Okay, that is enough to supply a set of 4 plants crafting tin. So that's 1, 1, 1. Let's put these 1, 2, 3, 4 there. Right. We need some more electronics plants. Lovely. Okay, that's producing at a rate of 1. So, these require 1 each, but they require 2 seconds to do it. Better bullets. Okay. Should I continue boosting my speed? Actually, let's go with lab speed, sure. Thing is, I need a whole bunch of electronic factories now because I've multiplied this thing. Oh, hang on. I see a way I can save some time. Give me basic electronic circuits. Also, a storage chest to build up an excess would be a good idea, since I seem to have forgotten to do that. Okay, 54, that's good for a couple of them. Oh yeah, they're much faster, much faster. Now then, 4, 8, 16, I need 16. 5, 10, 15... 16, okay, right, that should do it. Bloody hell, 16 of these. Right. And they're out of place. Of course they are, of course they are. Sheesh. Okay. Then that'll go around like that. Actually, no. Why don't I do it like this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, this should do it. If I had enough flipping things. I think I have enough things, so yeah. Apologies for the phone there, by the way. Yep, that'll do it. And then if I put 1, 1, and then 2, 3, 4. Yep, okay, that's the new layout. That should do it just fine. Because I've got these 4 over here, which will be producing all of the tinned copper wire. Like that. Yes, 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 I'll do it. I need more poles. Do that quickly. And then all of these will be producing basic electronic components. And then this is just using the standard double row of conveyors in the middle. The thing is, though, this is actually going to produce a flipping ton of parts. So this should keep me going in good stead for these things for a long, long time to come, actually. Yeah. Yeah, I think this will keep me going for a very long time. I just need to get the rest of the conveyor figured out a bit. Let's see, that'll take the wire through to there. I have got these in the right order, haven't I? Oh yeah, I've not pulled off the tin line yet. Right, I need to do that. There we go. Tin line, you will come up here. Now, where do I need these individual bits and pieces? I think I need the... Yeah, I need the tin for these. So, The tin will be on this track here, on the lower layer, while the upper layer will carry all of the regular copper cable. So that means I need to get that there. Yep. Oh, hang on. Slight space concern. Yep. And then I'll need the carbon to be coming through here, like that, with a tunnel, which is there. Okay, tunnel. Get that through there. And that, as you can see, is just dividing things up to where they are needed. And then I have to try and fit the stuff into here. Damn it. I also need a long-handled... I need long-handled fast inserters, but Can I? Just making a bunch of long-handled inserters actually would probably be a good way to go. Let's just grab those. So I've got a whole stack of regular inserters here. Now this thing will start to let me upgrade to faster inserters more easily. And in fact the entire purpose of this is to let me build fast inserters in large quantity. But it also lets me do things like long-handled and fast long-handled inserters as well, which is also good. Now then, I need to work out how I'm going to do this, all of this stuff though. Like that. Okay. Yeah, I think alternating is the only way I can really do it. That'll do. I need some more reds though. Oh, I can just stamp them out. Okay. There, 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 there. Yep, okay. This'll do just fine. This'll make for me lots of lovely electronic components. One more. Yep. Okay. Though, it will not be at full capacity, just like most of my other work, until I get access to faster inserters to upgrade it. So it's also built for the future. You know, to the future kind of thing. There, one there. Sure, that'll do it. Actually, no, let's pull those poles off up there and just put them like that instead. So here we go. Tin copper wire is starting to appear. Though now... Now I need to get these things up and running. And the only way to do that is by tunneling part of the lines. Which is why I did it in alternating pairs, because I need that to actually let me do it. Let's see, like that. So this is going to need a whole bunch of tunnels, but there's no way around it. And yes, I have noticed that it is missing power for stuff over there, but that's because there's just not enough space in the middle here because of the these things being too big. Sorry, too wide rather. So I'm just going to have to run a separate power line up there to feed those factories like that. And then if I do this, and that, and that, and that. And there we go. We have an entire flipping swarm of basic electronic components coming out of the factory. Yeah, that looks pretty good, I think. Just need a fast inserter, thank you, and a storage chest. Actually need another 2. Damn it. Because these things produce an absolute flip ton, I'm going to have to do some more about it. I mean, look at these things. They've already backed up like... I think it's in the region of a couple of hundred spares. Just sitting there, not able to do anything. So let's go... Actually, that's out of place. Of course it's out of place. The last thing I put down is out of place. Let's do it like that. Just to build a convenient storage spot there, which will fill up with lots and lots. 2, 3, 4, 5. Should I leave it at 5? Yeah, 5 stacks. Let's do that. But it's already stacked 50 of them already, so... Oh, this is This is a massive arrangement, and it's not even at full capacity because it just doesn't have enough fast inserters to actually run properly. This is going to be nuts when it actually gets started up. But that is also unfortunately the end of the video. So this is Iron Mark III from Bosch in Factorio. I'm going to keep Bosch actually as the name, but I still need to work out a kind of forerunner for it to go in front of it. Like I did consider Fortress, but this is not a Fortress. Hellhole to Bosch. Pit in the ground to Bosch. Confused to Bosch. I don't know. Something to go in front of it, but that's for me to continue to work on and just hammer it all out and stuff like that. So yeah, I'll stop babbling and let you be getting on with your day. This is Mark 3. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you some other time.